Are you ready to take control of your financial future and build the wealth you've always dreamed of? In today's fast paced world, it can be challenging to focus on our financial goals amidst the distractions of everyday life. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through 10 powerful ways to sharpen your mind and pave the way to financial success. Way 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step towards building wealth is defining your financial goals. Visualize where you want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years and set clear, actionable goals to get there. Way 2. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Track your expenses, cut back on unnecessary spending, and allocate your resources wisely to maximize your savings potential. Way 3. Invest in your financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Educate yourself on investing, budgeting, and wealth-building strategies to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with people who share your financial goals and values can provide support, accountability, and new perspectives on wealth-building strategies. Way 5. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Gratitude and positivity are powerful tools for attracting wealth into your life. Cultivate a positive mindset, practice gratitude daily, and watch as the universe responds to your positive energy. Way 6. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often requires taking risks, but not all risks are created equal. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and take calculated risks that have the potential to propel your financial growth. Way 7. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams by exploring new opportunities, investing in real estate, starting a side hustle, or pursuing passive income sources. Way 8. Automate your savings and investments. Take the guesswork out of saving and investing by automating your contributions. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and investment accounts to ensure consistent progress towards your financial goals. Way 9. Review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Financial planning is not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Regularly review your financial plan, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track towards building wealth. Way 10. Stay persistent and trust the process. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, trust the process, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. With dedication, patience, and a focused mind, you can achieve your financial goals. By implementing these 10 powerful strategies to focus your mind on building wealth, you can take control of your financial future and turn your dreams into reality. Remember, wealth building is a journey, and with the right mindset and determination, success is within your reach. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to focus, take action, and build the wealth you deserve.